Here is my first crystal power battery, magnesium electrode and copper pipe becomes positive, and Epsom salt with some water added, which is magnesium sulfate. The voltage is amazing, 1.6 volts and 7 milliamps short circuit current. After a while, voltage stabilized to 1.08 volts, making so-called crystal battery. One electrode is copper and other electrode is magnesium, sacrificial electrode, and then there is Epsom salt, which is magnesium sulfide. And if one is doing electrolysis from salt, one can produce back magnesium, so it's a kind of rechargeable battery, and needs some moisture to conduct electricity, or some salts, they accumulate moisture from air, like lithium chloride, and maybe the battery is then self-regulating. I cut a slit to be able to solder copper wire, and here there was a bolt, but unfortunately it goes through the magnesium, so it will corrode also from the bottom. To fix everything, I will use hot melt glue. Now I have electrodes fixed in hot melt glue and will fill Epsom salt. I will leave it open to dry more or less and then put a lid. Joule TIF is germanium transistor. It works down to 0.3 volts. Here we have the transistor, emitter arrow goes inside, ferrite core with 20 and 20 turns, and here we have negative because it's PNP transistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor to the base, and I forgot almost to draw LED. This transistor is from old Soviet stock, and on the collector oscilloscope trace looks like many pulses, negative, high voltage if there is no this diode. And current draw 10 milliamps. Here is the circuit. Transformer is 20 turns with red and with white wire, and in the middle part direction continues. Next task is how to mount in solar lantern. Crystal power battery cannot provide 10 milliamps to run LED. It can charge capacitor and then make LED blink. Crystal cell voltage 1.3 volts. Running easy spin motor.